Hi everyone, I am Joy and today's project focus will be on the Topiary's 2-bedroom unit type. The Topiary is located in Fernvale, which belongs to the Sengkang planning area. It is an executive condominium and has a total of 700 residential units ranging from 2 to 5 bedrooms. This development has just recently hit the 5-year MOP mark, which means that it is now considered a semi-privatized condo. It can be sold to permanent residents, and the financing will be based on TDSR rather than MSR. Out of the 700 units in Topiary, there are only 38 units of 2-bedroom, which is pretty limited, but this is not uncommon. ECs in general do not carry a lot of 2-bedroom units as the nature of EC cater more towards family and HDB upgraders. Topiary's 2-bedroom comes in only one layout and in one size at 753 square feet. It is located on two different stacks, Stack 4 and 10, which both have unblocked view. I'll be analyzing the 2-bedroom in the Topiary using two key factors. First, the exit timing, and second, the resale buyer profile. So I will touch on the first factor, which is on the exit timing. As you can see from this price chart, 2-bedroom units which have made the least profit were mostly sold before the 5-year MOP mark, and those which have made the most profits were sold either upon MOP or after MOP. Prices peak upon MOP because of three main reasons. First, there is injection of two new groups of buyers. They are the PRs and the single. This increases demand of the EC significantly. Single buyers are not eligible to purchase EC which have not met the 5-year MOP because such ECs are still subjected to HDB rulings, which means that you have to form a family nucleus in order to make the purchase. Second reason being, as more people look to sell, there will be more frequent transactions, which in turn provide more substantial data to beef up the overall average price of the Topiary. And the last reason is something that most people overlook. If you sell your EC before the 5-year MOP mark, buyers' financing will be limited based on MSR. This will affect buyers' purchasing power and will further limit the number of resale buyers who are eligible to purchase your property. I will illustrate this using a case study. Assume a married couple, husband and wife, both 28 years old, both earn 2,500 each with no debt obligation. If they wish to buy Topiary's 2-bedroom based on a resale price tag of 800,000, they would need about 218,000 down payment, as they will be able to loan up to 600,000. This is if they buy the 2-bedroom upon MOP or after MOP. But if they choose to buy before the MOP, their loan will drop significantly to 334,000 due to MSR. This means that they will need more down payment, which is 484,000 worth of cash and CPF combined. This amount will be a stretch for most people. So the above are the reasons why most EC owners choose to sell after MOP. And of course, it did help that the current market is in a bull run. New launch supply is dropping, which in turn helped to drive up the resale market. So right now, I will touch on the second factor, which is on the resale buyer profile. Although profit margin of the 2-bedroom is considered very decent, but if we were to take a look at the top 20 most profitable transactions within Topiary, you will notice that it's all big size units, minimally a 3-bedroom. The profits made by these bigger units are easily 2, 3, or even 4 times than that of 2-bedroom. Of course, you may argue that because the units are bigger, that's why the profit is higher. But what I wish to put across here is also that bigger units are hotter in demand here due to the estate Topiary is located in. Sengkang is one of the 4 most populous HDB towns in Singapore, alongside Woodlands, Jurong West and Tampines. It houses over 200,000 HDB residents and have one of the largest number of HDB flats around. So in conclusion, my advice to existing 2-bedroom owners in Topiary is that you can ride on the wave of the current market condition to cash out your property and swap for something even better. But if you choose to hold on, it is unlikely that the prices will surge by another fold. You need not worry that your price will be affected by Park Greenwich because they only have 14 units of 2-bedroom. Supply of 2-bedroom in the immediate area from both Seletar Park Residence and Seletar Spring is less than 130 units combined. The future supply of 2-bedroom is too little to even impact the existing supply. And that's all I have for Topiary's 2-bedroom analysis. I hope you enjoyed this sharing. Please subscribe to us if you have not. I will see you in my next episode.